Today we're going to unbox our Easter mini crate. When your crate arrives and you open it up, you will find a mat on the inside cover. This will show you all the activities we have planned. Each activity will be laid out with the things that you need along with our process. You'll also find our thank you card and a little something special. For this mini, we've chosen the Littlest Easter Bunny from Scholastic. Now let's get into the materials. First, we have our Play-Doh accessories. This will include some plastic chocolate bunnies along with some gems, and we'll use this for creative play with our yellow dough. There's also a plastic carrot that opens to hide our gems. We have our bonus art materials, and for a great fine motor activity, we're going to make fuse bead eggs. Next, we're going to use these Easter wooden shapes. These, combined with the materials packed in your Easter kit, will create these little pieces of art. We have a set of 4 plastic eggs, and we're going to use this paint palette for decorating, our Read With Me card to go along with our story, and our Easter I Spy. Instead of the typical dry erase marker, we're going to use this highlighter that's hidden perfectly in this little carrot. Lastly, on the bottom of the crate, you'll find a heavy piece of cardstock. This is what we're going to use as our mat when we're creating our marbled shapes. And that's all of the things that come in the 2022 Easter Mini.